Welcome to Dr. Unity. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Okay, so let's get started with Unity. Go to unity.com, get started, individual, get started, start here, agree and download, start the setup exe, agree, install, start Unity Hub, log in, watch a nice Unity trailer I've never seen before.
My first game. It was not good.
It was so bad. It was just,
Extremely buggy.
I mean, it was a mess. Like,
None of us knew what we were doing.
Oh my god. It was horrible, but worth it.
Making games is a hard craft on its own.
It is probably intimidating.
Is challenging.
it's really hard.
But you have this whole community that could help you out with anything.
You have a ball of clay in your hands, a ball of digital clay.
I don't have to necessarily create my magnum opus on the first try.
Like decide that I'm gonna make a character walk around today and that's it. Don't get distracted by, oh, I can do light mapping. Oh, I can do this. Like, oh, I can do that.
There are a lot of other people you can draw on.
Do things a piece at a time. That's the way to learn Unity. It's the way to learn game development.
And, try to do that with friends if you can.
You know, thousands of people who've made incredible games have got their games that you'll have played, no doubt, have all been in exactly the same place as you are right now.
You'll have created an entire world. Even if it's a small world, you'll have created a living world that didn't exist before. And there's nothing more powerful than that.
It's important that you show some grit and resilience.
Keep on with it.
You'll get there.
You'll be so happy that you did it.
My name is Matthew Wegner, and I'm one of the earliest users of Unity back when it was version 1.6.
My name is Alessandro Canossa.
My name is Murari Vasudevan.
I'm Samantha Kalman.
I'm Will Goldstone.
I'm Stefan Kabelgau, and welcome.
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 I am Joachim Ante, and welcome to Unity.
That was great. Very inspiring. So, go and launch Unity. And now, please smash subscribe or I'll smash you. And turn the bell on. Yes, do this. See you next time. Bye.